on stage.
Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to IV Endeavours. Happy Sunday. I hope you all are enjoying your weekend. Today, I am bringing to you a video about my latest trip to my home state Assam and my hometown Jorhat. So, I hail from a town in the upper Assam called Jorhat, and while I was there, we went to a museum and cultural center called the Thengal Museum and Cultural Center. It has been established some 1.5 years back to promote the life and living styles of a tribe called the Thengal Kosari tribe of Assam. This museum is situated in a place called Titabor, which is round about 10 kilometers from the town or city of Jorhat. Now here you can see the beautiful interiors of the museum. The entry fee of the museum is 50 rupees per person. As you enter the museum, you see this wide area where we are promoting a lot of Assamese artifacts, handicrafts and craftsmanship of the local artisan. This is a bamboo design created by some artist showing a traditional buffalo fight. It has been very beautifully crafted. With the entry fee of 50 rupees, you get access to the museum, which is situated in the first floor of the cultural center. Here you can see the mukha tradition. So these are worn by local people in place called bhauna. And this is the beautiful interiors. This is the ground floor. There is a store also on the right side, which is the Jagaran store, where you can buy the local products and handicrafts. And here I am taking a photograph of myself against a backdrop of local products. So these are the local mats where people used to sit, and some small japis on top of it. And seen here along with me are my son, my mother and my brother and my sister. And then we went to the first floor. On our backdrop, you can see a beautiful design created with an instrument called sepa, with which fishing was done in olden times. In the first floor itself, it is the entrance to the museum. So museum is included, museum visit is included with the entry fee, but photographing within the museum was not allowed, because of which we couldn't take much photographs inside. And after visiting the museum, we went to the backyard, and it was very beautiful, and we could see a lot of monkeys residing there peacefully in their natural habitat. And as you can see, that the dustbins are also designed in the form of monkeys, which I found to be very interesting. My mother was also having a good time there. So the scenery is very, very beautiful, friends, and you can definitely go there while you are in Jorhat with your friends and family and have a good time. Apart from the auditorium and museum, there are bumper cars, audiovisual room and gaming center as well. And it was established by our then Chief Minister called Tarun Gagoi. The plan was proposed in 2014 and it was finally inaugurated in 2020 in the month of December. It's a very good place to visit and have a good time and relaxing time. Friends, I hope today's short video you enjoy, and if yes, Do like the video to motivate me to make more such videos. Share the video with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel IV Endeavours. Bye for today.